Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna give you my 20 best gift ideas for women. Now of course we know that every single woman in this world is unique. Your girlfriend or wife, your sister, your mother, your grandmother, or even just a friend. But I'm sure that you'll find a perfect gift in this video. So let's not waste any more time, let's get right to it. Alright guys, now if it's the first time that you're here, I want to welcome you to DLM Men's Lifestyle. My name is Daniel, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider it so you won't miss any of the future videos. Now, let's start with the first gift idea. Chocolate. Now, almost every woman that I know loves chocolate, but don't just get her just normal chocolate. Get her something special so that she will feel special. Like this Godiva chocolate box, or this Lind gift box. Kindle. If she loves reading, then this is a no-brainer, because then she'll have all her books in one place. A hair care set. Every woman loves a hair care set. I mean, even your grandmother will love it. So get her the Healthy Hair Essentials Kit from Olaplex. I'll add a few more options for you in the video description down below. A smart table lamp. If she's into electronics and cool gadgets, then you can get her a smart table lamp that changes brightness, color, and warmth with her voice or with her phone. I mean, that's cool. You can get one from Huawei or Philips. A purse organizer. I personally think every woman needs a purse organizer, because have you looked at a woman's purse? I mean, there's always a lot of stuff in there and they just keep on pulling stuff out. So get her a nice purse organizer like this one. Again, I'll add a few products for you in the video description and their direct links as well, so it's just easier for you to go and check it out. Now, while we are talking about her handbag, if she's got an old one, get her a new one. Or if she loves going to the gym, why not just get her a new gym bag that can replace the old one? Next up is a facial steamer. Now most women, they love going to the spa, right? If they can afford it. But why not get her something that she can use at home? Like this facial steamer from Ira Ionic, or this professional one from Pure Daily Care. Another cool idea is a foot massager. This is a perfect gift for any woman. Imagine this, most of them, or a lot of women that I know, wear high heels. So they get back from work, they come home, they're tired, their feet painful, and then there you are, a foot massager. They love it. This is a nice one from Miku Shiatsu. Bath salt. Most women enjoy a good bath, so it'll be just so much more special with good quality bath salt in it. If you get them this one from Murthy & Daughters, it comes in a nice package as well that she'll love. Cartier perfume. I've never met any woman that doesn't love good perfume, that doesn't love to smell good. Or if you're married, why not get her a monthly subscription from Scentbird? It will allow her to choose a different perfume every month to try out. Just remember, I'll add all the details in the video description down below. If she loves coffee, get her a temperature control mug. This is a good idea, especially for the day that we live in, you know, with COVID and all these lockdowns going on. Well, most of it has passed, but most people still work from home. And they love their coffee. So why not get her this smart mug to keep her coffee warm? Or actually, you can get her something that's even better. Check out this retro coffee maker from Nostalgie. Adjustable wrist and ankle weights. If she loves working out, she'll love this. Jewelry. Every woman loves jewelry. But of course here, it depends on the woman, because you need to get her something that fits in with her taste. So you need to really know the person that you're buying jewelry for. I'll add a few good options for you in the video description down below. A nice plant. It's always good to have something green in the house. And most women, they love plants, especially because it makes the atmosphere in the house so much better. Get her something for her hobby. You just need to know what she likes to do. For example, if she loves crochet, then get her a nice crochet kit. Or if she likes painting her nails all the time, get her a LED nail lamp. Most women will start to talk about their hobbies anyway when you just show a little bit of interest. So keep your ears out. A gift set of spices. Now, of course, this is only gonna work if she loves cooking. For example, this Spicewella gift set has 18 unique spices that she would probably love to use in her next meal. Then, of course, you can join her at lunch and dinner, so it's a win-win. A bread maker. Now let me tell you, this is not just a gift for women, but also for men. I mean, I have a bread maker here at home, and let me tell you, nothing beats that smell of fresh bread in the morning. A luxury tea gift box. If she loves tea, then get her some special tea. Not just normal tea at the grocery store, but special tea. Being a South African, here in South Africa, we have a special tea called rooibos. Translation, red bush. It's really good because it doesn't have any caffeine in it. It is healthy, super healthy, and if she struggles to sleep, this is gonna be great because it calms her body down as well. Check it out in the video description. An instant camera. Now, I'm not sure that every woman will like this, but I'm sure that most young women will love it. This is cool because it captures a moment in time and it can give you the photo immediately. All right, guys, the bonus tip. And this is the best tip that you can get any woman out there in the world. And it is your love. You need to make her feel loved and, very important, appreciated. If you already do that, then any other gift that you will get her will just mean so much more to her. Now, if you need any other gift ideas for men, check out this video here and I'll see you there. And always remember, life is short, so don't waste yours. Cheers, guys.